Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to change the max players on a Windrose server. Firstly, all you have to do is head over to your Server.pro panel and select your Windrose server. Then navigate to the Home tab and click the Stop button to safely shut down the server before making changes. Once that's done, go to the Files tab, then open the server description.json file. There, all you have to do is locate the max players field. Then you can enter the number of players you want to allow simultaneously. Once that's done, you can start up your server again, and that's it. The server will have the updated player limit. It's important to note though that increasing the player count beyond 4 may impact performance or stability. We recommend testing different player limits to find the best balance for your server. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.